Good morning and a warm welcome to all of you. Reverend Father Joseph Lopez, Reverend Father Principal, Sister Jennifer, Reverend Father Harry Victor, staff, students, and parents of Ashish. This is the 74th Independence Day celebration today. On this auspicious day, as we keep the spirit of patriotism alive and the joy to enjoy freedom to its best, let us invoke the blessings of God through Mother Mary on this important day. I request Teacher Fleckletta to bind us together in prayer.
Father in heaven, we thank you for the gift of this day, which marks the freedom of our nation. We remember those who fought for freedom, and especially those who gave their lives for our nation to build our country. Help us to be aware of our heritage, realizing not only our rights, but also our duties and responsibilities as citizens. Lord, give all the rulers and authorities your wisdom and knowledge, so that they can render their service to the people, especially to the afflicted. Now that the whole world is living in fear and confusion, this time of pandemic, give us courage to overcome our fears, rescue us and give freedom, peace, strength, and shower your blessings on us. Lord, give to the people of our country a zeal for justice and righteousness, and lead us to use our freedom for the good of the whole world. For this we pray to the Lord. Lord, hear our prayer.
Request Sebastian sir and his team to sing her hymn on this auspicious day.
We shall overcome, we shall overcome, we shall overcome someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we shall overcome someday. We will walk hand in hand, we'll walk hand in hand, we'll walk hand in hand someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we walk hand in hand someday. We shall live in peace, we shall live in peace, we shall live in peace someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we shall live in peace someday. We are not afraid, we are not afraid, we are not afraid someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we are not afraid someday. We shall overcome, we shall overcome, we shall overcome someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we shall overcome someday.
Now we have the hoisting of the tricolor flag that symbolizes our unity, integrity, and sense of brotherhood. I request Reverend Father Joseph Lopez, our manager, to unfurl the national flag accompanied by Reverend Father Principal and Sister Jennifer.
All of us stand straight inside. Look straight front.
मुझे सलामी देंगे। सलामी दो, 1 2 3 1। राष्ट्रगीत साहब शुरू कर। जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल गंगा। विंध हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्छल जलधि तरंगा। तब शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभ आशीष मागे। गाहे तब जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे।
Our manager, Reverend Father Joseph Lopez, to give us the independence message.
Reverend Father Cyril Braggs, our principal, Father Harry, Sister Jennifer, parents of Ashish, dear teachers and our friends. Today we are celebrating 74th Indian Independence Day. Maybe the first time in the history of India without children, we are celebrating this day. And also I think there won't be any cultural programs elsewhere like every year due to the pandemic. But can we forego without any celebration? That's why maybe in a small number we have gathered here. And the significance of this day is to remind us that the great sacrifice that made by our freedom fighters to set India free. And the motive and the purpose of this celebration is to remind our young minds to understand the great sacrifice done by our freedom fighters and thus make ourselves free and make this country a better place to live in peace and harmony. Let God and our goodwill help us to achieve this. We also have gathered here through his hard work, a purpose has proved that hard work always bears best fruits. And due to his hard work, today Ashish has become a champion. Ashish, you have made yourself, your parents, and our school proud. Congratulations, and we wish you all the best. May this your hard work, a purpose, bring you more fruit, success in life. We pray for you, we wish you, God bless you, dear friend.
Thank you, dear Father, for your words of inspiration. Now we have the felicitation of our student, Ashish Lodaya, who has bringing and has also been bringing the laurels to our school in the SSLC board exams for this year 2020. I request Reverend Father Joseph Lopez to present a shawl to him. I request Reverend Father Principal to present a garland and a certificate of excellence to him. I request Reverend Father Harry Victor to present the certificate to Ashish.
Father.
Thank you, fathers.
Ashish.
Now I request Master Ashish to say a few words on this auspicion.
Reverend Fathers, Sister, and my dear teachers. Today is a wonderful day for me, so first of all I'd like to wish you a very happy Independence Day. I'm really happy to be back here in the school uniform, that I got another year to celebrate this day with you. So on this day I would like to take this opportunity to thank you all for the help and support that you all have rendered to me, and for the faith that you all had in me, that I was able to achieve what I have achieved. So I thank you all, dear teachers, and as I go on from this school to college life, I ask for your utmost earnest prayers and requests as I go on from this school, and I'm greatly humbled by this kind gesture by the management and staff. Thank you.
जहाँ डाल डाल पर सोने की चिड़िया करती है बसेरा, वो भारत देश है मेरा, वो भारत देश है मेरा। जहाँ सत्य अहिंसा और धर्म का पग पग लगता डेरा, वो भारत देश है मेरा, वो भारत देश है मेरा। ये धरती वो जहाँ ऋषि मुनि जपते प्रभु राम की माला, जपते प्रभु राम की माला। जहाँ हर काल एक मोहन है और राधा हर एक बाला, और राधा हर एक बाला। जहाँ सूरज सबसे पहले आकर डाले अपना फेरा, वो भारत देश है मेरा, वो भारत देश है मेरा। जहाँ डाल डाल पर सोने की चिड़िया करती है बसेरा, वो भारत देश है मेरा, वो भारत देश है मेरा। अलबेलों की इस धरती के त्योहार भी है अलबेले, त्योहार भी है अलबेले। कहीं दिवाली की जगमग है, कहीं है होली के मेले, कहीं है होली के मेले। जहाँ राग रंग और हंसी खुशी का चारों ओर है घेरा, वो भारत देश है मेरा, वो भारत देश है मेरा। जहाँ डाल डाल पर सोने की चिड़िया करती है बसेरा, वो भारत देश है मेरा, वो भारत देश है मेरा। जहाँ सत्य अहिंसा और धर्म का पग पग लगता डेरा, वो भारत देश है मेरा, वो भारत देश है मेरा।
Thank you, teachers. And now, as we wind up this program, my special thanks to Reverend Father Joseph Lobus, our manager, our principal, Father Harry Victor, Ashish and his parents, and Sister Jennifer, who are present here. A big thanks to all of you. Thank you, dear staff, for being with us today to celebrate this wonderful day. Thank you.
I request all the teachers, please come on the stage.